Today we will find centroid of T shape. We will learn how we can find the centroid of T shape. So this is very simple questions. It is given T shape, all dimensions are given. So what we have to do in case like T shape, I section, we have to divide the shape in number of parts. Like we can divide this shape in two parts. This is shape 1 and this is shape 2. So we have to find the centroid of complete shape. What we will do is, first this problem is symmetric. This is symmetric about axis parallel to y axis. This is symmetric about the line I have drawn. What do you mean by symmetric? Symmetric means it is the left half is same as right half. So x centroid we can directly find by symmetry. It lies at the center. So the total length is 3. So x coordinate of centroid will be 3 by 2, 1.5 inch. So now we will find y coordinate. For y coordinate, since it is not symmetric about x axis, so we have to find it by calculation. What we can do for this, for y coordinate we can find centroid of each shape. So let's focus on shape 1. So shape 1 we denote it as y1 and a1. A1 is area of shape 1. How we can find area? This dimension is 2 and this dimension is 1, because total 3, 1 minus 1, so it will be 1. So area will be 2 into 1 and y coordinate of centroid will lie at center, so 2 divided by 2, y1 will be 1. Now focus on 2. The one thing that we generally make mistake, take all distance from reference axis. So for shape 2, when we take y coordinate of its centroid, it won't be 0.5, it will be the distance from x axis. The y coordinate of this will be this one. So y2 will be, the total distance is 3, we will subtract 0.5, so y2 will be 3 minus 0.5, 2.5. Generally student make mistake taking y2 as 1 divided by 2.5. It won't be that, because we are taking all distance from reference axis and our centroid will be the distance from reference axis only. So y2 will be 2.5. A2 how we can find? This is 3 and this dimension is 1, so a2 will be 3 into 1, 3 into 1. So we have find a2, y2, a1, y1. Now we can find centroid of complete. So for composite shape, this is formula we use: a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. All values we have already found. A1 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2.5 divided by 2. This is y coordinate. We can also find x in similar way, but we don't need here that, because it is symmetric about parallel to y axis. So we can directly find this by observation. Okay, thank you guys.